Welcome to another video from Darren Hickey Hornby GWR. This time we are looking at a coach and then 3 wagons as well. So that's the next video be Toby be pulling this coach and 2 wagons. Normally Toby be pulling Henrietta and some wagons, but I will show you Toby in a separate video. Don't have Henrietta at all. So further ado, let's look at this one. I did get this for this price when I was a child. It's by Hornby, and if I bring it into focus, it's the product number is there, R9201, old slow coach. You can only get these on eBay. So I'll put the product number down below with the other wagons. So basically you got all the Thomas tank engine locos, Thomas, Percy, Duck. That's Toby there we will look at. Gordon and his coaches we don't have. I did have one of these two, but I can't remember which one. Annie and Cloudbell, James and his coaches. That be one of the wagons we'll be looking at. Don't have those two. I do have that one. So that's that. That's the bottom of the box. And so you can see that's in Margate. That's in Kent. Good place to go to because there's a museum, everything, and you can see some of the Thomas Tank Engine locos running on a layout there, and there's the product number. So further ado, let's get old slow coach out and have a look at old slow coach. Here you go, old slow coach. That's the coach's face. No sprung buffers, afraid. No inside detail, afraid. Again, no sprung buffers at the back. Couplings are fine. Vents are good. Metal wheels, lovely. Underneath, it's just like moulded plastic, but nice detail there. This is the other side of the coach, and the back of old slow coach. So you'll see Toby pulling old slow coach. So we'll move that one out of the way. The next one is the milk wagon tanker from the Thomas the Tank Engine and Friends range. You can see on the back Gordon's coaches, Thomas's coaches, and the Cloudbell, and the 2 I don't have, and the brake coach. And that's the product number is R105 milk wagon. So that will be also in the description below if you want to get this on eBay second hand. So let's get this unboxed and have a look. So here's the milk wagon. Just basic detail everywhere. Nice. No spun buffers afraid, moulded plastic, but lovely metal wheels though, as you can see. If it wants to focus, not on my hands. So as you can see, the wheels are very good and nice, and how the detail is, everything. So that's the milk wagon. Put the milk wagon to the side. So the last one is Sodor mail. You could get a fleet of these, and Percy can be pulling these. So this is what the product number is R9236 Sodor mail, and that link be down below if you want to get that by eBay. And this is the other locos you can get. Got Thomas, the circus trucks. That's I think that's an ice cream van. You could probably see a bit more. Yeah, there you go, ice cream. I don't have Bertie the bus, or Oliver, or Toad. The Flying Scotsman you can get in the Hornby Thomas tank engine range, and I don't have that diesel. But Stepney right here is a real life loco. It's on the Heritage Railway called the Bluebell Railway, and it's one of the locos from the Reverend Audrey's books as well. So it's good to see that. So further ado, let's get the mail coach 8 or wagon. Put that to the side. So here's the Sodor mail. This one here is a bit stiff, but who cares? You can see nice detail bits there, and under the wagon detail you can just see metal wheels, everything. This is the one that doesn't work properly, but it's stiff to turn because the pin was broken anyway. And this is the other side, so no spun buffers at all. Very nice. So all I can say is we'll get these onto the track and then just put them on to the side so that Toby can go couple it up after I've done the review of Toby, and hopefully we'll see these running. So thank you very much for watching this review. Please subscribe to my channel, please click like, and please leave your comments below. Thank you. Right guys, before you watch another video of Darren Hickey Hornby GWR, there's 3 steps you need to do. Step 1 is hitting the subscribe button. As you've done that, Step 2, hit that alarm bell there. Step 3, hit the like button. And you'll get notification on when the next video is due for my next videos.